power muscle, unique, especially in classics. Great year and model here, 1970 Dodge Coronet Super Bee. Hemi heads, power steering, AC, and that's paired up with a 4-speed manual transmission. Take a look at the chrome and bright work up front. Of course, 1970, one of the more popular model years. Original banana colored car, black vinyl bench seat. So still looking very much the way it would have looked back in 1970. Full black vinyl top. Check out the still pictures, uniqueclassiccars.com. We can be reached at 507-386-1726. Don't forget to ask your sales consultant about extending the warranty protection plan in this vehicle. It will come with a 3-month, 500-mile warranty protection plan. That may be extendable out to 10 years. Like I said, consult with your sales associate when you call in or email. The black longitudinal stripes, also one of the options on this car. And you can see down this passenger side, it's not full of nicks, dings, scratches. Paint shows well. Interior looks as good as the exterior. We're going to get around to the driver's side. Take a little closer look at that. Also remember, we do consider trades. Financing is available. And of course, we can assist with transportation. Now, some of the options on this car, as you would have seen up front on the hood tie-down pins, as well as the fender-mounted turn signal indicators. Both original options on this car. We're going to fire it up here at the end of the video, let you hear it run. Dual exhaust. Flat black wing in the back. And again, you can see the paint has a nice shine to it. One of those cars you can take to your roll-ins, cruise-ins, local shows. Take it out, drive it, have some fun. Also remember, we have an open door policy for third-party inspectors. You want somebody to come take a look at this car. Maybe you can't make it yourself due to distance or time. Not a problem. Open door policy for those guys. Try to represent them as fairly as we can, of course, with all the pictures that are done, a walk-around video like this, and then of course you're kind of going to get an idea of what it's like to drive down the road in this car a little later. A little virtual ride-in, you might say. Again, you can see how nice the paint is on the driver's side also. Let's take a little closer look at this interior. Of course, black door panels, black carpeting, black vinyl. Vinyl's in nice shape. You can also see seat belts still intact in the front and the rear. You can see back there. Be able to see that all in the still pictures too very well. Headliner, also good shape. Does have a retro sound style radio in it that is working. When we pop the hood, some of the things you're going to see is a serpentine belt system that was installed. Also aluminum radiator, a couple polar fans, and we're going to pop the hood here in just a bit. Take a little closer look at the interior. Clock is working. See the tack on the outside of that. That will also be working. Let's fire it up. Check out the gauge cluster and this radio and everything else. You can see fuel gauge coming up. Temperature is not up, but it was a cold start, so wouldn't expect that to be moved. You can see the tack working over here. Let this warm up a little bit. Alternator gauge is working. Here's oil pressure. So it appears all the gauges are working. Stereo working. Pistol shift. Pistol grip shifter. Door closes nicely. Slip around to the back. Listen to this. I'm going to go ahead and slip up to the front. Let's get this hood open. Check out this engine bay. Here's the electric fans working. I'm going to pause it a second so I can get these pins out. Let's check out that engine bay. Alright, hood open, and let's check this out. There it is. Alright, we'll start in the front. So aluminum radiator, serpentine belt system, power steering, and dual Edelbrock floor barrels. Very responsive, runs nice. Nice throttle response. AC over here. Good looking engine bay. Stick around. Like I said, we're going to do a little driving video on this one. 1970 Dodge Super Bee. Original banana yellow car. 3-month, 500-mile warranty protection plan included in the purchase price. Consult with your sales associate when you call in or email about extending that out to 10 years. 507-386-1726. UniqueClassicCars.com. Remember, we do consider trades. Financing is available. And of course, we can assist with transportation.
Hey, did you know that this car qualifies for an extended warranty? It's just like the one you get at your new car dealership, except it covers your classic car instead. It covers all the major components like engine, transmission, drivetrain, and you can get coverage up to 10 years. Repairs aren't cheap. These extended warranties are a no-brainer. Contact us for a quote on this car today.
Today we have a 1970 Dodge Super Bee in yellow and black. This is a 4-speed on the floor. Our temperature is about 150 right now. Fuel gauge reading a third of the gauge. Oil pressure is at 60. And the alternator is charging over 13. Factory clock is ticking. Factory tachometer behind that clock is also working well, as is the speedometer. We have a retro sound style radio in the dash, ready for you to hook up your device. Blower motor does work on this car. As the 1970 Dodge Super Bee should. When you get on it, she accelerates very well. Great Mopar sound to this car. We have a wood steering wheel with finger indents on the back. That's nice as well. It matches the dash. Another iconic car in 1970. You don't see very many of them in a nice yellow and black. I mean, it's B colors. How much more could you ask for? This is a great Super Bee. Take a look at all the pictures at UniqueClassicCars.com.